Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video session we have seen till that how we pass value from the state and print that value in our component. Now we are going to see how we are going to pass value from one component to another component using the props. So we have seen that in component A that I have get the value from the state. Now I will show how I will be passing this name variable to the component B. Okay, first thing which I require is import component B in this component, and after that here I have written the component B. Here I am passing the value from the component A to B like this dot state dot name, and in the component B how we will access that value. You can see that from here this dot props dot name. Through this we can access the value which is being passed from the component A to B. Okay, this was the value which I have stored in the state. If you want any static value to pass from one component to another, like I want to pass data from component to we want to pass data to component B. So like I have stored the value that one is a string good to the component, and after that we can access in the component like this one, this dot props dot data, whatever the name we have given that one. Now we can see the output on the desktop like um, give me a minute, like this one. You have seen that good was being passed as static data, and along with that you have seen that I have passed Priya Kumari as a value from one. Priya Kumari was stored in the state of component A, which is being passed to component B. Okay, you can see it from here, like this one. This was being passed from the state value. Now we can see in component C, like I have created a component C. Now I want to pass the value being from B to C. So first I require to import B from slash C. Okay, I will write the component. Sorry, I have written C here. I will write C. Okay, now I will access the value this dot. First of all, let me pass the value also from C. I want to pass value as already I have passed from here. I can just copy it from here, copy and paste over there. Okay, the same value I want to pass from here. It is giving error because I have written before the closing tag. Now we can see in the C component that whether my value is being accessed or not. This dot props dot name. Okay, I have the given name only now. Yeah, you can see now I am going to see that in component C whatever we are getting the value or not. We will be seeing like we are getting a error name of null. Let me check why it is giving so. This dot props dot. Okay, now we can see cannot read null of. Let me check why it is giving error. See, I have passed this dot prop dot name or data name. This dot state. Okay, sorry. Yeah, here I have passed the state. That's why it is giving error. We can see that since we haven't defined a state in this component, if we will pass state from here, it will be giving this error. Now, I think so. This error will be resolved. Okay, you can see that in component C, I am getting the value which is being passed from component A